Get ready to witness the rebirth of a true automotive icon. The 2026 BMW Z1 is back, and it's not just a retro comeback. Hiding behind its seductive silhouette is a secret piece of futuristic engineering that BMW has kept tightly under wraps. Until now. The legendary sliding doors return in a way no one expected, smarter, smoother, and packed with next-gen tech. Buckle up and stay with us until the end, because we're about to unravel the boldest BMW innovation of the decade. And trust us, you won't want to miss what's coming at the very end. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because this is only the beginning. The BMW Z1 was once a revolutionary figure in automotive design. In 2026, it makes its return, sleeker, meaner, and more futuristic than ever. This isn't just a redesign, it's a rebirth. The front fascia now boasts razor-thin LED lights paired with an aggressive kidney grille, wider than ever before, slicing through the air like a fighter jet. The sculpted body is low and wide, exuding a presence that screams confidence and performance. From the rear, the design doesn't hold back either. Sharp LED taillights stretch horizontally like laser beams, while the pronounced rear diffuser and quad exhaust tips hint at the muscle lurking beneath. Whether it's a coupe or convertible, the 2026 Z1 looks like it's ready to dominate both track and boulevard.
And yes, the sliding doors are back, but this time they're electrified and sensor-controlled. Just wave your hand and the doors sink smoothly into the chassis like magic. It's a callback to the original Z1's charm, but reimagined through the lens of BMW's most cutting-edge technology.
Underneath the sculpted bodywork, the 2026 Z1 is no slouch. Rumor has it this beast will feature a turbocharged inline-six engine producing over 500 horsepower, paired with BMW's intelligent xDrive all-wheel drive system. There's even word of a plug-in hybrid M performance variant on the horizon that could rival the Porsche 911 and Audi R8 in both power and efficiency. Performance-wise, this car is engineered for those who demand the thrill of speed without sacrificing control. With a carbon fiber chassis, active aerodynamics, and a lightning-fast 8-speed automatic transmission, the Z1 slices through corners like it's on rails. BMW has made it clear, this car is not just for show, it's a statement. Inside, the luxury is absolutely jaw-dropping. Step into the cockpit, and you're greeted by a fully digital curved display, a panoramic HUD, and voice-activated iDrive 9. The leather is sustainably sourced, hand-stitched, and paired with brushed aluminum and ambient lighting that makes night drives feel like a sci-fi movie. But the real game changer? The adaptive interior layout. With AI-driven settings, the car learns your habits, from your preferred driving mode to your favorite music at different times of day, and adjusts automatically. It's not just a car, it's your digital companion on wheels. In terms of tech, the Z1 offers Level 3 autonomous driving for highways, 5G connectivity, over-the-air updates, and even a customizable driving sound profile powered by BMW iconic sounds. Imagine your Z1 roaring like a V12 or humming like a spaceship with the flick of a switch. BMW has also teased a secret Z mode, which has yet to be officially revealed. Insiders hint it could be a track-only configuration or even an experimental launch control system unlike anything seen before. Whatever it is, BMW promises it will change how drivers connect with their machine. The 2026 BMW Z1 isn't just a reboot, it's a warning shot fired at the entire sports car world. With its jaw-dropping looks, luxurious tech-filled cabin, and aggressive performance, this is BMW flexing every muscle in its design and engineering departments.
Stay tuned, because in our next video, we'll dive deeper into the mysterious Z mode. And trust us, what we found will blow your mind. Subscribe now, because the full secret is coming, and it might just be BMW's biggest move in decades.